clear about one thing. Machines do not work for you.
They aren't neutral. They are assets. They work for whoever owns them.
And in the age to come, that one fact, ownership, decides everything. This leads to a fundamental truth, a concentration of leverage. You've heard that AI is a democratizing force. That is a lie. It does not distribute power. It concentrates it.
Forget the idea of a level playing field. AI does not create equality.
It concentrates leverage, the ability to achieve a massive outcome with minimal input. And it gives this leverage only to its owners.
We see this happening everywhere. Factories automate.
Offices automate.
The entire backbone of the economy, logistics, automates.
The result is a simple, brutal equation. As the need for human labor shrinks, the power of ownership expands.
So where does all the value from this automation go? It creates an upward flow of capital. Automation doesn't just make value, it reroutes it.
The old economic model is obsolete. When machines produce value, wages stop being the main income channel.
The engine of production is no longer human effort. Capital replaces labor.
And unlike wages, capital flows in only one direction.
Not sideways. Not downward.
Upward.
But you can use the tools, can't you? This is the great illusion of our time. Access is not ownership. You're being sold the fantasy of control. Sure, you can work with AI, but if you don't own it, you are not a partner. You are a tenant. You are renting your future. These are the laws of the new reality. Access is not ownership. Usage is not control. Dependency is not power.
This all culminates in the single fundamental conflict of the coming age. This isn't about left or right. This is about the ownership divide.
The old divide was skill, what you could do. But when AI automates cognition, skill becomes irrelevant. The new divide isn't about what you can do. It's about what you own. In the end, it all reduces to a single principle. Who owns the machines, owns the outcome.
Black signal.
Follow for Power Intelligence.